Hello and welcome to this review of my anti-stress enter key keyboard. This keyboard is the latest in space-saving keyboard technology, being just a 1% form factor, so it's very compact, absolutely excellent for users who like minimalist form factors like something such as this. But this offers even less functionality, so I'm sure they'll love it. The board was made in the shape of an enter key, and it's neither ANSI, nor ISO, nor big ass, but mega ass instead. Yes, that is the technical term for it. It's mega ass. The build quality is outstanding. The chassis isn't metal or even ABS. In fact, it has no chassis. It doesn't even have a keycap. It is its own keycap. However, nonetheless, it appears to be quite sturdy because you can throw it around without a problem and it'll still work. So, top marks there. And not only is it small, but it's also very light, just 44 grams. Or in imperial units, oh no, I don't know how many feet that is, mate, in it. The keyboard also has full N-key rollover. You can press all the key together at the same time and it'll still work, which is excellent. However, the key feels quite spongy. In fact, it might be the spongiest I've ever felt. This is even worse than most rubber dome keyboards. It's also quite stiff and it has a lot of travel, so you really need to exercise a good amount of force to actuate it. So I think this wouldn't be suitable for extended typing periods, as it might prove tiring. I'm not sure what model of switch this is, or even who made it, but it seems to be a mostly linear switch. Nonetheless, it is still smoother and more tactile than Cherry MX Brown, so for MX Brown users, this might be a good upgrade. The typing sound is quite subdued because the switches are heavily dampened with foam, so people who like quiet switches would probably like these too. I've included a typing demo at the end of the review for reference as usual. Overall, it's an excellent keyboard for the modern keyboard enthusiast. It's tiny, has almost no buttons, and is virtually useless, so it's everything a modern keyboard user could ask for. Plus, as an added bonus, it's quiet and it feels horrible. And finally, the build quality is excellent to boot, and it's cheap. I think I paid just €3 for it at Action, an absolute steal. 10 out of 10, can't beat this. Everyone on the Mech Keyboard Reddit, you should get this keyboard immediately. That's it for this review. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And following is a typing demonstration of me typing on this keyboard.